Established in 2008, Zhaoqing YIJUN Metalware Company Limited is a professional manufacturer and exporter that is concerned with the design, development, and production of furniture leg, table leg, drawer lock, gas spring, handles, door closer. We are located in Jinli Town, Zhaoqing City, Guangdong Province, China, with convenient transportation access. Our products comply with international standards and are greatly appreciated in a variety of different markets throughout the world. Covering an area of 8,000 square meters, we now have over 60 employees, 2,000 set of production molds, and are currently exporting 100% of our production worldwide. Our well-equipped facilities control throughout all stages of production enables us to guarantee total customer satisfaction. Besides, we provide customized services for all customers. As long as you have product requirements, we can develop for you. With our advanced production equipment, professional sales team, and outstanding after-sales service, we have gained a global sales network reaching Middle East market like Iraq, Iran, Syria, and Jordan, Africa market like Egypt, Nigeria, South Africa, South America like Chile, Brazil, Mexico, Peru, and parts of Europe country like Poland, Russia, Uzbekistan. You can see our product have gone to all over the world. If you are interested in any of our products or would like to discuss a customer order, please feel free to contact us. We are looking forward to forming successful business relationships with clients around the world in the near future.